Hi everybody. Today I'm going to be talking to you about how to write an argument. It's not going to be a balanced argument, but it will include some of the things that other people say back to you to counter your argument. Because when you're arguing, well, you should be bearing in mind what the other person is going to say so that your argument becomes or comes across as even better than theirs. So, the first thing we need to do is we need to think about how we're going to structure the argument. And I'm going to start with a statement. So, I believe that children should be allowed to play Roblox in school. And then the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to start our first point with firstly, comma, and here's my first point. It's important to be sociable, and Roblox, comma, when played in teams is incredibly, trying to think of another word for sociable, so I don't want to use the same word, sociable. It's incredibly team-based. On the contrary, it could also be quite isolating, but this can be avoided by choosing the right game types. So I've taken in what the other argument could be. I'm saying even with your argument, I still think I'm right because. Now notice I've not used the word because, but I don't necessarily need to. I've explained the because even without using it. Now we're on to my second point. We're going to start with secondly. There is a lot of problem solving to be done in Roblox. Full stop. Let's consider the other argument. On the other hand, we could solve problems in other ways, but the children are more likely to learn if they are having fun at the same time. Full stop. It's quite a long paragraph, that one, but I like it. It considers the other point of view. Now we could go on, could have another point such as with finally, comma, or thirdly, fourthly, and then finally. We could keep on going. Finally, once we've presented all our arguments, and generally 2 or 3 is a good way to start. I'd say at least 3, so I'm being a bit naughty here, skipping out one of them. Finally, we go over to summarise. And then I'm just going to present a final argument which brings together all of my other things that I've said. Roblox is a tool that could be used to help enhance social and problem solving skills. And then I want somebody to do something with this argument. I want the head teacher to say, yeah, I want Roblox in my school. It is up to you if, or it is up to the head teacher if they want to allow amazing opportunities like this to happen. And I'm being a little bit manipulative and sneaky there because I put amazing opportunities, and describing the opportunities as amazing is a little bit weighted because you're saying, oh well, if this is amazing, the other opportunity isn't. So that's how I'd structure my argument. I'd start off by saying, I've got a statement here, I've got something I want to say. I'd then start off straight away with my points, and then start after that, continue with my points, go to what I want to do secondly, and then finally I'd have some sort of summary there that just brings together everything that I've said, and you can be as persuasive as you want to be by the time you get to that point, because you made your point. It's trying to just bring it on home. Thank you. Have a good rest of the day.